Let's boil 1 liter of milk, then put 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice or white vinegar to curdleize the milk. Strain the milk using a muslin cloth. Please do not throw away the liquid. Gather the milk solids in the cloth and let it sit for at least 10 minutes so that all the excess liquid drains away. After 10 minutes, take it out from the cloth and put it in a blender. Put some 2 to 3 tablespoons of the reserved liquid if it's too dry, and then blend it. Blend it to a smooth paste. Now the cream cheese is ready. Transfer it to a bowl. And now you can add any herbs of your choice or salt or sugar, whatever you like.